Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude. Smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors. I'm the man in the city. I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
EF time, Futura 64. What up, y'all? So we got the RunCam mounted on L4. Go from a noggin. Get this sunset flight. I haven't flown Alphabet in a little bit. So I'm kind of excited for this one. Got the CNHL, the 2200 milliamp hour. It's a 70C, I believe.
Low rates. Bombs away. Heat started. Heat started. Motor off.
There we go. All right. You know what? I think we're gonna go shades off because the sun is setting. So let's see here. Right, left, down, up, right, left.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Flaps up. Motor on.
All right. So we're gonna take off. Looks like right to left. So we're running without the GNSS tracker this time. I know it does about 80-90 miles an hour. But right now I'm trying to just do this with the camera to see how it handles the weight more than anything. Don't want to risk all of it at once. All right, taking off. All right. I've got it pretty much right over the CG, so it should handle the camera pretty well. And it is. I will say, I'm pretty impressed. Little rudder turn action, there we go. Nick's back in here. Alright, let's go ahead and land and check this battery because I haven't flown this in so long. I want to make sure that the battery can handle with this light and everything. Woo! Again. Oh, I just missed the runway, of course. Oh well. But it handled that camera really well. We're gonna put a few more packs through this one. We're gonna check this out, see what the battery level's like.
Motor off.
But y'all see I brought the EF or the the extra 330 and on my runway lights. So if it's not windy, I'll fly that one. But for now, this one likes the wind, so, or at least a little bit of it. 375, and we had
10.
11 seconds left. So yeah, we could have that 3 minutes. 3 minutes is good for this. Well, let's put a couple more packs through. Let's see here. Let's do this other CHNL or CNHL. Y'all, everybody that like these batteries, I bet they're gonna get real expensive now. All of our batteries. Oh, damn it. Damn it. No shit. She's just super comfortable with the planes now.
Wait, I'll shut up.
Oh, you're good. You're good. I'll just mute you when I post the video. All right, taking off. Okay, I actually like this in the sunset quite a bit. Okay, that's fun. Woo! Come on back. Bugs. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Mosquitoes was eating my wrist. Damn, they're back already.
Motor off.
Okay, this thing's pretty good.